Throughout May, we are highlighting Mental Health Awareness Month. We'll be talking with professionals to discover a variety of programs that are available in our community. Today we have Kaley Long, the Director of Nursing at Riverbend Hospital. We will be talking about career opportunities in mental health, right?
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Well, thanks for coming in. I appreciate it. So tell me about these jobs that are available.
Okay, so ideally, I think the focus is the stigma with mental health that's out there, and just making people realize that we have to get away from that. And when people have a true passion with helping others and are passionate about mental health, knowing that there's opportunities out there in the community. Statistics show that over 25% of adults in Indiana actually require help throughout the year throughout 2023 for mental health needs, which correlates to over 300,000 people needing mental health care. So the need for job opportunities are there, and I think it's important to share with the community that you don't have to have a college education to enter this enter these opportunities. There are opportunities for people with a high school diploma, with a GED.
Like what, for instance?
Yeah, like psych technicians.
Okay.
And they help our patients with their everyday needs in the hospitals. There are also peer support groups that are led throughout the community, and people can be involved in that as well.
Well, and there's so many different levels, of different ages that people have different types of mental health. I mean, after you've had a child, people have, mental health issues because of that, the changes that are happening, becoming a mother. And then I know I talked with a high school counselor, a lot of teens have mental health issues at different ages. So that would provide different career opportunities because of that.
For sure. There are opportunities. Most people, when you think of healthcare, you think of doctors and nurses.
Yes, you do. True.
And that's not just what evolves around healthcare. I think there's social work, there's psychologists, there's psychiatrists, and social work within the school settings. And like you said earlier, there's all ages that require mental health help. So there's opportunities if you're passionate about children. There's opportunities to get involved with children as well as all the way through the adult life.
Now, where can people go if they are interested in that field?
Absolutely.
Quickly.
So I know Ivy Tech, they've been provided grants through the North Central Health Services, so they're really expanding on their programs. And then Purdue University, of course. And then recently, the School of Social Services is coming as well through IU, and that program will be at Purdue.
Well, good to know. Thank you so much for coming in and talking about all the different career opportunities in mental health.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Now we're going to turn to the weather.